All right, what's up? Welcome. Happy Monday. We get another incredible week to continue building the lives, the careers that we want. So I'm unbelievably excited for this week. So I'm releasing something. It's a free 10-day coaching program, and it's something that I've been working on because I talk to people every single day who are unhappy with their lives, unhappy with their careers, unhappy with their work, unhappy with their bosses, unhappy with the company, unhappy with their city, unhappy with their work-life balance and their work hours, unhappy with... There's a lot of unhappy people out there. And there's a lot of people that end up not working with me. And that's okay, because I realize that if I talk to 100 people, not all 100 people are going to work with me. But what is not okay is for me to not be able to share the information that person, knowing that they're going to do it themselves anyways, and I know it's going to take longer, but at least I still need to share that information with them. I can still have an impact on their life by sharing information that at least can give them the framework, the strategy, and the step-by-step that they need to take in order to transform their career. And so that is, I've been working on this free 10-day series of both videos and content that I'll send to people every single day for 10 days straight to help them get a deep understanding of in which order and what actions must I take and what framework and strategies must I take in order to transform my career and do so as quickly as possible. So this is something that in the next or the coming part after this intro section, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what this looks like, how you can get started, and one, I encourage you, it's free. I mean, learn it. Sign up, get these videos, get the content, but then two is if you know people who are currently unhappy with their careers, are thinking about making a change, want to make a change, whether to a different city, a company, position, industry, whatever, and they're unsatisfied, please share this with them because I know the value, and I'll explain the value in the second part, but over $1,000. There are a lot of coaches out there selling this information for easily over $1,000, and I'm giving it away for free, and I'll explain why. But either way, happy Monday. I'm incredibly excited to share this with you. I hope that this benefits your life or your family members or siblings or friends, colleagues, somebody's life. So with that, let's get started. Hey, I'm 𝗖𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗏, and I'm extremely excited to be able to share this career coaching content with you because there's a lot of people out there. I connect with many high achievers like bankers, consultants, executives, and people across all sorts of different business functions, as well as engineers. But a lot of people are looking to make career changes and they don't know where to start. Or if they do start, they're starting in the wrong place. And a lot of people want to make changes, and there are two important things that a lot of people want. They want to love their career, and they also want to make a lot of money. And a lot of people believe that they can't have both, and it's just not true. And so in terms of reaching out and being able to connect with you, this is, I think, the absolute best way that I can get my message across to you while at the same time beginning to build a relationship so that you can actually begin to trust that this information is right and you can begin to see how you can implement this and use this for your own career to make more money as well as build a career that you love. So in this completely free coaching program that I'm going to be sending you over the next 10 days, which is how to transition your career, that's the focus of this. This content is content that it's going to be valuable. It's not going to be one of those programs where I just send a bunch of, vague, empty videos where it's a waste of your time. I'm not going to do that to you. I don't like it when people do that to me, and I don't want to do that to you. So this is the content that I'm going to be sharing with you is most importantly is you're going to get the step-by-step strategy, the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to transition your career. Now, you might be thinking, all right, if this is your business, why would you be sharing this with everyone for free? I'm sharing it because not everyone wants a career coach. Not everyone needs to work with me one-on-one or in a group. Some people are just do-it-yourselfers. So in that case, at least you're going to have the strategy to do it. Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you, a lot of other career coaches will literally sell for over $1,000. So the content that I'm going to be sharing with you over the next 10 days is easily worth over $1,000. And many other career coaches, if they work with executives, it's the same material, but they're charging anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. So I'm not going to waste your time. And what you're going to learn are these 10 major points. So I'm going to quickly walk through them. But first is you're going to learn how to love your work and make excellent money. I'll actually break down how do you have both, not just one. And the second is, how do you get career clarity and target your next career step? So how do you identify what it is that you do want to do and would love doing, and then at the same time align it so that you're still going to make a lot of money and you know specifically what those targets actually are. You need to have a target in order to actually make or take action. And then the third part, how to strategically position yourself. So I'll talk about what that means as well as how to think about doing that. And then the fourth part is how to create your personal brand. Well, in order to create your personal brand, which is resume, LinkedIn, cover letter, you have to know how you're positioning yourself. Positioning is sales, it's marketing, it's communicating your value to other people in the marketplace and influencing them to want to hire you. And then fifth, we're going to talk about how to professionally network. So most people, when they hear the word network, they want to vomit. They're like, oh my gosh, no, I don't want to do that. Anything other than that. It's because most people have been trained on how to network incorrectly. So I'm going to be sharing a couple extremely valuable tips on the networking side that'll change how you think about networking and actually make it enjoyable. I know that sounds almost impossible, but I promise it's not. And you need to learn how to network if you want to achieve the greatest potential in your career. People are your greatest resource. And we'll talk about that. So then after that is point 6. We're going to talk about, or day 6, we're going to learn the 4 strategies to transition your career. There are 4 primary strategies. One is the most important. The other 3 are the other 20%. And then 7th is we're going to talk about crucial interview preparation. So I'm going to talk and share with you several key points that once you know them, you'll be able to prepare easily for anywhere between 50 to 80% of your interviews. Absolutely crucial. And then the next part, how to negotiate your offer and earn your worth. So I'll be breaking that down. Number 9, how to accelerate your career in terms of promotions and compensation. A lot of people allow the company or other people to dictate how quickly they progress and grow in their career, and that needs to be in your control. You need to know how to accelerate, both put your foot on the gas as well as decelerate whenever you want. So you must have responsibility but also control over your own career, and we'll talk about that. And then finally, how to transition your career in 10 weeks, how to make it happen very quickly. A lot of people make their career transitions drag on and on and on, anywhere from 3 months to 6 months to 9 months to 12 months. Some people have been thinking about it or trying for up to 2 years. So this is everything that I'm going to be sharing with you in this completely free coaching program. I'm going to be sending you 10 videos. So you can see these are the highlights of the 10 videos. I'm extremely excited to share this with you. I hope you find it incredibly valuable because I know how valuable it is, and I've seen the way that's been able to transform other people's lives and their careers. And the last thing is I'll be sending you, following these videos or with these videos, a very short written summary as well. So, but most of the content, most of the value will be in these videos. So I'm extremely excited, and let's get started.